this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on the Paybis app. So let's get started right away. Now, in order to log out from your account, so that none of your login information is saved, even after you log out from within the app, then long press on the Paybis application on your device and tap on the info button. This will now take you into the application info page for Paybis. Now, first of all, tap on force stop at the bottom right corner and tap on OK to stop the app. You can then scroll down and tap on storage. Now, within the storage menu, tap on clear data at the bottom left and then tap on it delete. And this will delete your user data for the Paybis application, which includes all of your login information as well. After this process is completed, you will be logged out from your account on Paybis right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on Paybis. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.